Learn how to register as a buyer account, set up your credentials, and initiate your first project on Kwiqrank. For new user, click on the Sign Up button. Important to select buyer as a role when creating an account. Enter your username, only letter and no special characters or number. Now enter your email ID. Enter your desired password. Confirm password should match your desired password. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Now, click on Sign Up button. Now, to create your first project, click on Create a Project button as shown. Then, click on Add Project button. Enter your desired project name. Now, enter your project's website URL. Please use https:// when mentioning the website URL. Click on the Save button and your project has been created. Now to access more features and services, click your Project tab to expand the list. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on how to sign up as a buyer and create the first project on Kwiqrank.